Hey everyone! Welcome back to GJ Vlogger. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of everyday millionaires with the book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is a real eye-opener because it breaks the stereotype of what we think millionaires look like. You might be surprised to find that most millionaires are not flashy, luxury-living celebrities but ordinary people who live next door. Let's dive into the key lessons from this groundbreaking book. The first big takeaway from The Millionaire Next Door is that most millionaires don't look like millionaires. They live modest lives, often in middle-class neighborhoods, driving practical cars, and avoiding the flashy lifestyle many of us associate with wealth. These people have built their fortunes through smart spending, saving, and investing. The book describes these individuals as prodigious accumulators of wealth, or PAWs, who prioritize financial independence over showing off their wealth. The second lesson: frugality is key. Most millionaires don't become rich by spending extravagantly. In fact, they tend to live well below their means. They're not buying expensive cars, designer clothes, or living in mansions. Instead, they focus on saving and investing as much of their income as possible. The authors found that millionaires are more likely to shop at discount stores and drive used cars than to live a high-consumption lifestyle. Next up, millionaires are goal-oriented and disciplined. They set long-term financial goals and stick to them. Whether it's saving for retirement, building up investments, or staying debt-free, these individuals are laser-focused on achieving financial independence. They don't let distractions like consumerism or the latest trends get in the way of their goals. Another important point from the book is that income alone doesn't make you wealthy. The authors point out that there are many high-income earners who are not wealthy because they spend almost everything they make. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Many of the millionaires in the book earn average incomes but have accumulated significant wealth by consistently saving and investing over time. The book also emphasizes the importance of financial education and passing down smart money habits. Many of the millionaires studied in the book come from families that taught them the value of hard work, frugality, and smart investing. They, in turn, teach these principles to their children, helping to ensure that future generations are financially secure. A critical takeaway is that self-employment and business ownership can be a path to wealth. Many of the millionaires profiled in the book are entrepreneurs or self-employed professionals. By owning their own businesses, they have more control over their financial future, and they're able to accumulate wealth more effectively than if they were employees. The final key lesson is that financial independence is more important than social status. The millionaires next door are not trying to keep up with the Joneses. They value financial security over looking wealthy. This is one of the biggest differences between those who are truly wealthy and those who just appear wealthy. So, what's the bottom line? The Millionaire Next Door teaches us that wealth is more about how you live and manage your money than how much you earn. By living below your means, being disciplined with your finances, and focusing on long-term goals, you can build wealth over time, just like the millionaires who might be living right next door to you. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to GJ Vlogger, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our financial tips, job advice, and success strategies. Until next time, keep learning, keep saving, and keep growing.